everybody. Today I wanted to share with you two automations that I created that have been real time savers for me. So I thought I'd share them in a quick little video here with you all here in Automation Maestro channel, my channel. So the first one is a TextExpander automation, and I use this every time I make a 4th of July post. So let's take a look at drafts so that I can share with you. And it's simply colon July 4 is the abbreviation trigger, and it triggers this: happy 250th birthday, America. Yes, you still look more beautiful than ever. Your birthday is still my favorite holiday. And the automation here is the 250th that changes every year. And here's how it's done. I go to TextExpander, which is right here, and I go to open, and let's see if I can zoom in here. Not yet. So it says has a var year and then equals the new date. So this would be the year 2026, and it takes it minus the 1776, which was the year we were founded, of course. You all remember your history. And then it puts it in a variable. The variable is age, so it says happy plus age, and then th America, birthday America. Yes, you still look more beautiful than ever. Your birthday is still my favorite holiday. And it produces this up here. And next, we have, I'm gonna cut this out. Next we have is the shortcut that takes me to a favorite folder of mine. And for that one, I have to have the Finder active. So here it is. I'm going to close this window, although the Finder is still active, and I'm going to do hyperkey T. And I don't know why it opens it here, but I can move it over, and as you all see, it opens the folder on a different computer that has movies and TV shows. And so that is much easier to do than to go here to my other computer and then to go down here and click on the folder, and then here's the other two folders that I would be looking for. So that is the automation, and let's take a quick look at how it's done. So I'm going to open the shortcuts. I don't know why it's not opening, but I'm going to go to all shortcuts, and here's the Toshiba one. You go to edit, and here it says if the quick action is received and there's input, then continue. So once my shortcut is received, and in this case it's hyperkey T, it moves on to the shell script, and the shell script you can find right here. If you type shell, and you'll find it right there. And it's one, and then you type the path of your folder that you're trying to get to with the where to open, and it will open it automatically once the shortcut is triggered. And with that, that's what I have for you guys today. So please like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it useful. And if you'd like a 20% discount on your next TextExpander subscription, please don't hesitate to use the link down below. And with that, I'll see you all in the next video.